Hey tubers! Alright, so I got some crackage in my back and my fingers and I'm gonna try to crack them for you, so I hope this works out good. Here we go. Now to the back. Other side. Little something. Let's try the neck. Be careful always when you're doing the neck because you might have a stroke and then you'll end up like then you'll have to talk through a computer. Anyway, here we go. Alright, so we got a few good cracks. Nothing big, but, it's early in the morning and, your joints will loosen up during the day and you'll get some more good cracks. So, let me know what you thought of these. Over and out. I did that wrong. I gotta get Glozell in here to do that for me. It's over and out. No. Well, you decide.